Amid the rising number of COVID cases in China, an expert in Hong Kong has said that the prediction by international disease experts of at least 1 million COVID-related deaths in the country this year is quite possible. And according to reports, Benjamin Cowling is an epidemiologist with the Hong Kong University and said that the deaths in China could have been avoided had there been better preparation.
It's quite possible that there'll be 1 million deaths or more this winter from COVID in China. And that number, it could have been much larger if China had opened 2 years ago and hadn't continued with zero COVID before vaccines were available. There would have been many, many more deaths from COVID in China.
Now, the US-based Institute of Health Metrics and Evaluation had earlier predicted that China could see over 1 million deaths through 2023. According to the group's projections, cases in China would peak around the 1st of April, when deaths would reach 322,000. About a third of China's population will have been infected by April. The US-based institute's director, Christopher Murray, had said on Thursday, the World Health Organization said that China was underrepresenting the tally of virus deaths and the true scale of the COVID outbreak. WHO Emergencies Director Michael Ryan said the global organization was without complete data from China. In its weekly report, the WHO said that China reported 218,019 new weekly COVID cases as of January 1st, adding that gaps in data might be due to authorities struggling to tally cases. There's mounting international concern over China's steep rise in COVID infections since Beijing abruptly lifted years of hardline restrictions last month, with hospitals and crematoriums quickly overwhelmed. More than a dozen countries have imposed fresh COVID rules on visitors from China in the wake of the outbreak, requiring all arrivals to submit negative virus tests, with some screening wastewater from flights arriving from the world's most populous nation. China has only recorded 23 COVID deaths since September after narrowing the criteria for classifying such fatalities. Beijing's statistics about the unprecedented wave are now widely seen by other countries as not reflecting the ground reality. WION is now available in your country. Download the app now. Get all the news on the move.